Hi kids, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Easy Drawings for Kids. So today I will show you how to draw an iPhone. So let's start drawing. Just follow me step by step. So here is our iPhone ready. So let's start coloring. I'm going to color it with pink color. Very nice and bright color. My favorite color is pink color. Wow, the iPhone looks so great and beautiful. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.